Good morning, class.
Good morning,
Good
teacher.
morning. I can't hear you.
Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am.
good morning. Now, before we start, or before we tackle our lesson for today, we will have first our prayer. So, please stand up and, Koalis, may you lead the prayer. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. All right, class. Again, good morning. Okay, but before you sit down, please check your under your chairs and pick up the pieces of paper or plastics. And if none, you may now sit, or you may now sit. Now, I have a math trick. Do you love math trick? Yes. So if you love math tricks, then get a piece of paper and a pen. Now, are you ready? Write your month number from your birthday. Like for example, June. So you will write number 6. Okay, done. Next, multiply by 5. And then add 6. Yes, add 6. And then multiply the total by 4. Yes, multiply it by 4. And then add 9. After adding 9, multiply again by 5. Yes. Then add your birthday. Like for example, you were born on June 12. So put 12. Add your birthday. Alright? Now, as the last one is subtract 165 from the total that you get. Again, subtract 165 from the total that you get. And then you will surprise because you will have the month number and the day of your birthday. Are you done computing? Yes. Now, did you get it? Yes. What have you noticed? What have you noticed in our trick? Okay. Yes, you have noticed to follow instructions to get the right answer. Right. Now, I hope it energized you all. Now, since you're alive now, we will recap our topic yesterday. So, what's our topic yesterday? Yes. Okay. Addition and subtraction of integers. Now, again, how will you define the absolute value of a number? Anyone? Yes? Kiamko? The absolute value of a number is the distance of a number from 0 to the number line. Precisely. And now, can you answer? Negative 13 minus 4, right? Negative 13 minus 4. Okay? Yes, that's negative 17. Very good. How about 4 plus, all right. Now, how about negative 4 plus negative 8? And yes, that's negative 12. Very good. You really understand our lesson yesterday. Now, on your mind, think some reasons or importance of integers in your life or in real life. All right? Now, how can we realize that mathematics is a part of our daily life? Yes, Sam. Precisely, very good. Math is already part of our life. Whether we like it or not, math is around us. Now, another answer. Yes, Miss Curtis? Yes, all right. Thank you. Now, we can't deny the fact that almost all the students hate mathematics. But why? Everything we do has touch of mathematics. when we are eating, when we are taking a bath, when we are cooking, or even when we travel, or everything that we do has a touch of mathematics. Do you understand? Very good. Now, let's proceed to our topic for today. We have already done for addition and subtraction of integers. Now, we are going to multiplication and division of integers. Again, if we have rules in adding and subtracting integers, then we have also rules for multiplying and dividing integers. Right? Alright. Now, for multiplication, we all know that multiplication is repeated addition. So, for the rules, can you so for the rules, this is very easy to understand or very easy to remember because in multiplying integers, like signs is equal to positive sign, or unlike signs is equal to negative signs. So so many students are faced with the challenge of remembering the above rules of multiplying integers. So this has come up. Um, we are having a scenario to help you avoid. In this scenario, the positive sign has been always, or we will denote it to good. Well, the negative sign, we will denote it, or we will symbolize it to bad. Okay, let's take a look at this mnemonics. Okay, so if good things happen to good people, then it is good. If good things happen to bad people, then it is bad. If bad things happen to good people, then it is bad. But if bad things happen to bad people, then it is good. Alright?
Now, how to multiply integers? So, multiplication is defined as repeated addition of integers. So, multiplication of integers includes three cases. So, first is multiplication of two positive integers. Second is the multiplication between two negative integers. And the third is multiplication between a positive and a negative integer. So multiplication of two integers with like sign will always give out a positive product. This means that the product of two positive or two negatives is positive. On the other hand, the product integers with unlike sign will always be negative. Now, to multiply integers, just multiply the numeric numbers or the absolute value without the sign and place a sign on the product by recalling the above rules or our mnemonic. So here's the example. Positive 2 times positive 3 is equals to positive 6. Then positive 2 times negative 3, that's equal to negative 6. And negative 2 times positive 3 is equals to negative 6. And negative 2 times negative 3 is equal to positive 6. So it is very clear that all who has unlike signs are negative, and those who have like signs, the product are positive.
Okay? You want another example? Alright, now we have 3 times negative 2. Okay, in this case, positive has comes first, and then the negative is the, yes, very good. Now, so we will get the value or the absolute value and then multiply it and then affects the negative sign. If we will say negative 3 times negative 3, how much is that? What is the product? Alright, very good. That's positive 9. Why? Because they have like signs, which is negative. Very good. Do you understand? Alright, now we will proceed to dividing integers. Okay, So in dividing integers, we also have rules, but they have the same rules. Alright? So in dividing integers, the rules are still the same in multiplication. So when you divide an integer, get the absolute value and divide it. And then when we have like signs, the answer is positive. When we have unlike signs, then the answer is negative. For example, negative 28 divided by negative 7. Okay? So to solve negative 28 divided by negative 7, as we can see, they have the same signs. So the answer is, and then you will get 4, right? Thus, negative 28 and divided by 7 is equal to 4. Okay? They have like signs, so the answer is positive. Always remember that. When we multiply or when we divide like signs, the answer is always positive. You want another example for division? Okay, so if I say 45 divided by 9. Okay, who got the answer? Yes, that's 5. Why? Because 45 and 9, which is the absolute value, is have like signs. Positive signs. So the answer is positive. If I say negative 9 divided by negative 3, what is the quotient? Yes. Yes, very good. That's positive 3 because they have like signs. Okay? Do you understand, class? Okay, very good. Now, do you have any question regarding the multiplication and division of integers? Yes? None so far? Okay, since you didn't have any questions, I will ask you some questions. So I will ask you some questions. Okay, so under your chairs, class, I put some stickers, star in a happy face. Okay, try to look at it now. Okay, who has a happy face? Okay, so those who got happy face, please sit down because you are exempted. And then those who got the stars, so they will answer my questions. Are you ready? Are you excited? Are you surprised? Yes, very good. Now, okay, who got the stars? Okay, you first, Sam Melby. All right. My question for you is, can you give me a specific scenario in which integers are being used? Okay? Okay, very good. Now, Jalai Andres, okay, here's your question. 9 times negative 2 is equals, what is the product, Miss Andres? Okay, that's negative 18. Why you come up negative 18? Because they have unlike signs. Very good, class. Now, can you, who has another sticker, another star sticker? Okay, you, who's that? Marian Rivera, yes. Yes, okay. Your question, Miss Marian, is the division, okay? Find the quotient of negative 10 divided by negative 5. Alright, precisely. That's positive 2. Why? Because they are all positive or they have like signs. Very good, class. Now, can you give yourselves a good job clap? Okay? Alright, go. G-O-O-D, G-O-B, good job. Good job. Okay, again, class. Okay? Ready? Go. Good, good job. Good job. Okay, class. And I already group you. And then that's your group um, on this activity. And then you can choose a presenter or a reporter to present your work. And then please have or get ready with a short and precise yell for your group. All right, do you understand? Okay, so here's your activity. Okay, for all the groups, um, create a situation or create by using multiplication and division of integers. So you will create just like, for example, -3 times -2 with the answer. All right, at least 5 that has the like signs and the unlike signs. Okay, and then the presenter will present why did they come up with that answer. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes, 3 minutes for doing the activity, and 2 minutes to present. Get ready, class. And if I'll say time's up, that's time's up, and please sit down to your respective seats. Okay, timer starts now. Okay, class, time's up. Okay, group 1, present your work. Group 2, present your work. Okay, class, you have very good job. You really understand our lesson for today. Since you have a full knowledge of our lesson for today, can you get a piece of paper and a pen? And let's answer these problems. Okay? All right, go. Okay, class, time's up. Raise your paper. All right, now exchange with your seatmate. And then let's check. Okay? All right. Now, who got the highest score? Very good. Okay? Keep up the good work, class. And then, I think that's all for today. And then, for your assignment, before I forget, all right? For your assignment, make your own 5 examples of each operation and write it on your assignment notebook. Again, write 5 examples in each operation, so you have 10. Okay, 5 for multiplication, 5 for division. Right? Do you understand, class? And write it on your assignment notebook. Yes, assignment notebook. Okay, class. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.